So another good day for us today, a Nespresso Delivery day. Plus, I just wanted to update you of all the other stuff, really to remind myself to do these videos, because I keep getting stuff, little bits here and there, and I need to review them. I know I need to get these videos done, so I'm just going to show you what we've got coming up on the channel, and then it kind of commits me to doing the videos in my mind. I need it. So anyway, what I've ordered, you might think, you've just ordered a Grand Latissima, what are you doing with a Creatista Plus? Well, as I said, that deal on the Grand Latissima was ending the other day, and it was half price you got the Latissima for if you got a no contract subscription for £25. And then if you kept it going for 3 months, you got a free travel mug. Well, I noticed last night on the Nespresso website, I wanted to share this with you, that they've applied the same deal now to the Creatista Plus. So that was supposed to be, I think it was £450 RRP, and it brought it down to £225. Check these figures yourself, this is off the top of my head. I'm a little bit disappointed with myself because what I didn't do is scroll across on the website. This is UK, by the way. I'm not sure about, I don't think this applies to other countries. But you can actually, on the deal page, scroll across, and it even applies to the Pro, the Creatista Pro. And I think that's supposed to be $650, and it brings the cost down to £325. So if you've been wanting to try these Creatistas, which as I have, what a bargain price really to get them at. If you know, that's a really good price. They're £300 on John Lewis, I think, these ones. So to get it for $225 plus a subscription, I mean, I'll spend that on pods anyway. Doesn't bother me to have to pay for a subscription for a month. So I was just really excited to try it, and to be honest, like, with the Pro, I don't really want to jump in at the Pro level, because this one was pushing the budget a bit. And in future, if I do decide to try and get that Pro, then I'll just do a fire sale of my other machines and all the stuff I bought for these videos, and try and raise some dosh to buy those, or to buy the Pro. And also I can sell, when you get a machine for half price, you know, you can probably sell it on eBay and get your money back. So if I decide to, well, I'll decide to keep one of them, one of the Latissima or these at the end of the day, I think. But it's not a crazy commitment where at half price I can't get my money back later if I change my mind. Plus I get to do these videos and show you the machines. So we'll be unboxing this, we'll be reviewing it, and obviously testing it against the Latissima. Anything you want us to do with it, leave it in the comments. You know, if there's certain questions you have. I haven't got a clue how to use it yet. I didn't with the Latissima, but I did find out, and the review seems to have gone down well with that. A couple of things came up, check the comments. The dishwasher safe, the bits of the frother that are on the Latissima, that's one thing that came up. I got wrong information from Nespresso about that. Not very happy about that, really. They should know their own products. But it is in the manual, so that's my fault. I should have checked the manual. Anyway, Creatista Plus, that's the first thing I got delivered. And it actually came, I don't know whether this is just for the Creatista Plus or whether there's a mistake sending me these, but I'll show you anyway. They actually delivered it with a box of arpeggio, as if I haven't got enough already, if you follow our videos. But always nice to have them for free, and a box of cozy pods. So what's that? That's roughly 7 quid's worth of stuff, isn't it? Roughly 7 quid's worth of pods and a couple of recycling bags. So what's these? Well, the Pavina, Bodum Pavina double-walled glasses. A subscriber or a commenter, I don't know if they're subscribed, I hope they are, asked me to review these Pavina double-walled Bodum glasses. I've got the 3 different sizes to look at. I'm trying to decide whether to do them all in one video or do them separately. Maybe you can leave a comment, tell me what you think. Sadly, I'm missing the espresso glasses because I got them off Amazon, and sadly, the ones, I ordered them all together and missed that one of them was apparently coming from China, which is a bit, watch out for that if you ever order a few glasses in a row. It's annoying when that happens, and I've cancelled them, but it just means that they're not here yet for me. By the way, Creatista Plus, I ordered it at 7 o'clock last night, and it arrived at about 12 o'clock today. So I had crazy delivery times on that. Very impressed with that. Ristretto lower pods, I bought some of those. I also bought some Asda ones. I thought I'd put them against the Nespresso ones. I thought it'd be nice to test out like a supermarket brand, and I also thought I might even try and get Amazon selling Ristretto pods, you know, and I might try and get hold of some of them, because they're really cheap, but you have to buy, I think you have to buy 100, and if I don't like them, I don't know if I want 100 stuck around, but again, it might be worth it just because they're so cheap. I think it works out about 9 pence a pod or something. They're so cheap. that it might be worth trying them out just in case you might want to try them, and I might want to use them in future, you know, if they're any good at that price. Anyway, let's move on. Creatista. This is something, since I made the hot chocolate videos, I've been wanting to, I've been saying I'm going to try some of these hot chocolate pods. Again, they were from Amazon, but you can get them elsewhere. But we'll be looking at those soon, reviewing them, seeing what they taste like, seeing how they compare to ones you can make yourself or ones that you can make with the barista maker, possibly. They're not going to be as good as them, are they? Let's face it. But are they worth trying out? And they're easy, aren't they? These Littles pods, in fact, with those, I'll just quickly, these are flavoured. Again, mentioned by a subscriber, because I think I have a vanilla problem in my taste buds, because I can't seem to taste vanilla in anything coffee-wise. I don't know what it is. It's just something not right. But I think I taste it in a milkshake. You know, when I get a vanilla milkshake, I taste it fine, and I taste it in other foods all right. For some reason, I've never tasted a vanilla pod where I can really taste the vanilla coming through in the coffee. Now these ones are they're flavoured pods, I think. So I think they add flavouring to them. I'm just getting them out for you now, just to show you. They add flavouring to them, but they're all natural flavourings. So even if this one's French vanilla, it's nice packaging, isn't it? They're aluminium pods. But yeah, like it says, 100% Arabica coffee, gently infused with the taste of creamy vanilla. Now I read on the website, do a little research yourself as well, that some of them, like they might not, this might be more for their instant coffee, but some of these ones, they'll have flavourings in them, but they might be different to vanilla, you know, but they have the taste of vanilla. So that's why it says flavourings on it, even though they are still natural. So they are all natural. So I've got that one, I've got the chocolate caramel one. They also do a hazelnut one. I'm a bit gutted because that was out of stock when I ordered. I ordered it, got impatient as I do. I just thought, oh, I'll get what's there. But if they're any good, you know, I might try the hazelnut ones in future. Well, actually, just put them back down there. Next thing, another subscriber from America actually asked me to review some of these reusable stainless steel pods. I'm a bit wary about these because I don't want to damage my machine. I don't want to cause any problems, but I understand the demand that's out there for them. Because some people, he explained his situation. He struggles to recycle because in America apparently they don't pick them up from you or something like that. And he struggles to get to his local recycling place to recycle his Nespresso pods. And also, you know, they're not cheap, these pods, are they? And some people, they might not want to be limited with the options they can get. They might have a certain brand of coffee they really like and they want to use it in the Nespresso machine. So I'm a little bit wary, but we'll give these a go. They do virtual versions, and I understand, I don't think these were the exact ones he was looking at, but these do seem to be available in different countries, and they were the ones with the most reviews that seem to be the best. A lot of reviews I don't trust when I see them because I don't know if they're actually real reviews. But when you get to 600 reviews on a product and it's approaching 4.5, 5 stars or 4 stars, then you've got to think, well, there must be something in it. So I'll give it a go, but I'm a bit wary. Fine Coffee Club, we said we'd be looking at those. I've got the Intense Espresso, the Colombian, the Dark Roast. So they've got a few to try those. This seems similar to arpeggio, so maybe I'll test it against that and see how it comes out. Might do all those in one video, we'll see. And finally, this Real Coffee. This has been sitting around in my larder, I've never called it a larder in my life, just in my understairs cupboard for ages now. It's been sitting there for probably about a month, so I better get these unboxed and have a look at these quick before this. It might even be more than a month, it might be 2, before I end up forgetting about them and then they go out of date. And I think that's about everything. I think I've covered everything there. There might be other things lying around that I haven't spotted yet, but I thought this is the one I'm excited to try. This is the deal I wanted to share. Just to tell you that that's gone into that deal. Half price, with a no contract subscription, £25 a month. But like I say, you cancel it after month 1, but if you keep it going, you get, I'll show you again, just in case it's the first video you've watched of ours, you get a Touch Travel mug on the 3rd month if you keep it going. And don't forget that subscription, the £25, you get to spend that on coffee or accessories anything from the Nespresso website like that. It builds up on credit in your account, and actually that £25 gets topped up to £27.50. You get the extra 10% as well, because it's a no contract one and it's not linked to a machine for 12 months or 24 months. You still get that 10% bonus, so it turns into £27.50 to spend with Nespresso. And so I hope you're as excited as I am for the time we've got coming up. New machines to try, new products to try. I'm going to have to, we'll see what happens if I like this one. I would like to try the Pro, but I think I might be pushing it a bit too far there. But I will if I can. I like to find good deals on things, so that if I try them for people and show them on the channel, I can always sell them on and get my money back if I don't want to keep them. That's what I try to do. So if you've got suggestions for things to try, I will try and do it. This one's come up a few times, this Bodum one. That's come up off a couple of subscribers, and then even my mum mentioned it the other day. She brought some of these glasses out. She's like, oh, have you tried these? And I'm like, I haven't, but people keep mentioning it, so I will try it. So I've got them. Excited things to come. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see any of these videos. Please like the video, get it out there. We really appreciate all your support. Subscribers are growing still. It doesn't seem like long ago where I was saying there was 4,000. I think it's 4,000, approaching 4,700 now. So thank you so much for all your support. I hope we're doing a bit of a service and showing you different products, trying out different things. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.